This comes in our Amazon packaging, and this more or less is just package protection, bubble wrap and paper and stuff like that we would use in packaging should we ever, I don't know, package something up and ship it. So my question to you is this: how often do you actually ship stuff? Now, I used to. If I was going to send one of my siblings something, I'd pack it up in a box and I'd ship them something. And then I discovered, well, how often do I actually ship stuff? And the answer is not very often. And if I have a chance and I want to buy them something, I usually have it drop shipped to them where it never comes to me at all. I never see it. I never pack it up. I never need the packing supplies. So are you saving packing supplies for what? For what? So when you move, you'll have it so that you can pack something up and ship it one day. I woke up one day and I realized I had a bunch of boxes that I'd flattened. And we do use the boxes that are flattened. I've used them for years in move out cleans. Whenever we go to a customer's house, I always take boxes, stacks of boxes. I just fill up the back of my car because when I get to the house, 9 times out of 10, make that 10 times out of 10. There's usually extra stuff that's strewn around the house, and I box it all up, put packing tape on it, and send it back to the person that should have cleaned it up before we tried to do the move out clean, right? It happens a lot. But I had all this packing supplies and bubble wrap and stuff like that. Why am I saving this? And so I literally just did a haul out and I got rid of all the shipping stuff. So if you're saving the shipping stuff, what for? Do you have a shipping business? Do you have an Etsy store? Is there a reason you're hanging on to it? And if not you, there's probably somebody in your neighborhood that does. You can put an ad on Nextdoor and say, I've got a bunch of packing stuff. If you want it, come get it. And somebody that could actually use it that's paying for that will come pick it up from you at no charge. Boom, out of your life, right? But if you're hanging on to it and you don't know why, and you're not emotionally attached to it, and you don't have a reason for it, that could be a marker, right?